make it filthy under the sheets all night. Under the sheets all night.
Okay, hi y'all. So I'm using my phone. I just wanted to do a little video real quick. I don't have my camera with me, it's charging, but I'm going to go to the grocery store real quick because my sister want to make some stuffed shell pasta thingies. Message to NYX, don't mess with the formula, please don't, because it's fine the way it is, honey. I bought this. I usually have the vinyl one. It's like, it's the same thing, but it's the vinyl one. And the Epic Wear one is just as, works just as well. I have both versions of it. But I went and bought this at Ulta yesterday. And I got the, what is this? Stone Fox, which is like a charcoal color. And it almost looks like the 30-second bold, 30-second bond glue that you use for quick weaves. It has that consistency and it has that look. And I'm not a fan of it. And I'm like, I got this by accident because I thought it looked like black, but from far away you can see that little smoky charcoal, like on the packaging here, you can see like a smoky charcoal. It's not pure black. And I got two of them like an idiot. And it was, I think, the day before Christmas, so I was rushing and I wasn't really paying attention. So I'm gonna return these and see if they have the pure, black one. I don't know what it's called, but the black one. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. It's, fall is upon us, or autumn, spring, or wherever we are now. I don't know, the days is just running together. This year's almost up. Thank God. I'm ready for 2022 to be a new chapter, because 2020 and 2021 was a damn joke. You feel me? Anyway, I have a little pom-pom I'm rocking. Hair growth, how you doing? How you doing? I took some, TLC, Total Life Change, hair, skin, and nail vitamins, and those work for me all the time. My hair growth might be about 2 or 3 inch, maybe in about a year. It takes about a year for my hair to grow about 2-3 inches, but with these TLC vitamins, my hair grows maybe about 4 inches in about 4 to 5 months, which is what we want. So I was looking at an old video of when I first initially ever chopped my hair off, and it took about 7 months for it to grow to like shoulder length. So by my birthday, my hair should be a decent length, because I'm ready for my curl life to be back. I'm not ready for that large bill with the conditioner, the leave-in, the shampoo, the curl products. I'm not ready for that, but I'm gonna try to do something like curly routine that's affordable, and I'll probably do a video on it once I get my situation up here taken care of. But the skin is glowing though, right? The skin looks really good. I've been using that, I think I mentioned it in my other video, the Lavado African-American, black girl brand. Lavado, I'll put it in the description box below if I find it, but I've been using her little bar shea butter soap, and it's lasted me a long time. I think I had it for about 5 months now, 5 or 6 months, and I use it every day with my little spin brush, and yeah, my skin is glowing, honey. Sun kiss. I'm a little pale because of the weather. I'm usually like a little bronzier. Where's this camera? Because I'm high yellow. I'm high yellow. Anyway, I'm going to the grocery store. I'm going to Ulta. I don't know if I'm going to be recording when I'm in there because I'm trying to get in and get out. But yeah, see you guys soon. Bye.
Calls up
So I had ordered a U-part wig, I mean not a U-part wig, a headband wig from Beautfox hair. This is the company. This is the packaging. It came in this little slide here and came with a little coupon card. Oh, that blonde is cute though. It gave me, it didn't come like this, came in a package. I just was too excited, wanted to put it on, so I just ripped the box apart. And then it gave me like a little one headband to do a little style, but I've worn it for about a week now and it hasn't given me any problems. It's Velcro, it's a little silk elastic band. It has 4 combs, one at the top, one at the bottom, and 2 on the sides. And then this is the hair. This is I think this is a water wave. And I got it on the Christmas sale for Black Friday. So I think it was Black Friday sale. And I just washed it. But the curls in here are so pretty. This is 150% density, so but when it dries, it gets huge. So I'm gonna put on this cap. And then I'm gonna finish my makeup. Ooh, 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 ooh. That's my brows.